Thermal throttling is one of the biggest issues on older laptops, and a lot of it has to do with the operating system being optimized for the latest PC hardware. And so when you're working with an older laptop or desktop, what you want to do is get the best stuff that's available to bring you back up to speed. One of the first things is get a modern SSD. This specific laptop only supports, even though it is this form factor, it is still a SATA SSD, which means it's limited to about 600 megabytes read-write. You can get the max memory. So this is a DDR4 3200, 16 gigabyte stick. And one of the main things that you want to do is remove the screws. So here we have, so essentially sits like this. It's a heatsink. And so the thermal paste on the CPU will go bad over time. And so what you want to do is use some electronic cleaner and clean the old thermal paste, get it nice and shiny like that. And then you want to apply new thermal paste, which I have, got two different kinds. I got the MX6 and I have an MX4 as well. And then you can also buy some thermal pads. And this is extra work, but essentially these big resistors, those will get really warm. So you put the thermal pads, it is going to help it in response time. So I'm going to put thermal pads all over these, and then I'm going to apply and spread new thermal paste. And if you buy a connector, you can also attach a 2.5-inch hard drive here. And then you want to dust this guy out. There's a connector right there, and it was held down by 3 screws. And once you do all this, this should make it perform a lot better, like it's brand new again. All right, I went ahead, added pads, and reapplied thermal paste. Again, I'm using this newer stuff. And yeah, let's close it back up. So here it is. Currently, it's sitting at 43 degrees Celsius. Before it was throttling, always on idle around 50, 55. So it's come down a lot. And everything just kind of responds faster as well. You know, before you would click on something and it would take a long time because it has to think, right? But now it's a little bit more responsive. So the fact that it's, more responsive now also, it's a big plus, because this specific thing, as you can see, it's only a dual core, so it's not that great, but hopefully this helps.